Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 16. Verily, yoga is not possible for him who eats too much, nor for him who does not eat at all, nor for him who sleeps too much, nor for him who is always awake, O Arjuna.
Chapter 6, Shloka 16. Natyashnatastu yogosti nachaikantam anashnatah nachati swapnashilasya jakrato naivacha Arjuna.
Chapter 6, Shloka 16. After complete instructions on before, during, and the final experience in meditation, now we have instructions about the meditator's food, etc. In spite of clear instructions, if one finds no progress in meditation, then the following precautions can be helpful for complete success. Moderation is the key to success in meditation. In respect of food, sleep, and recreation, this has to be practiced at all levels of our personalities, physical, mental, and intellectual, to achieve proper integration. Eating should be understood to mean whatever we take in through each of our senses and not only the mouth. Regarding the kind of food, we can take it as whatever food comes to us handy, with least destruction to the living kingdom, and in quantities which do not load the stomach. This diet should help a meditator in his meditation. Too much sleep should be avoided as it dulls the faculties and makes one gross. No sleep at all will make you sleepy and not let you meditate. So, intelligent moderation is the golden rule for a spiritual student. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.